Example, eliminate the arbitrary constants. So, meron tayong y is equal to c sub 1 plus c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. So, ito na yung equation number 1 natin. So, gamit yung equation number 1 natin, eliminate na natin yung arbitrary constants. So, paano? Ilan ba yung nakikita nyong arbitrary constants? So, dalawa. So, dahil dalawang beses kayong mag-derivative. So, mag-derivative na tayo. So, derivative ng y ay y prime is equal to derivative ng c sub 1 ay 0. Ano naman yung derivative ng c sub 2 e raised to 3x? So, kopyahin nyo na yung c sub 2. Derivative ng e raised to 3x sa calculus. Kopyahin nyo lang yung e raised to 3x. Then, derivative ng 3x ay 3. So, we have y prime is equal to 3 times c2 times e raised to 3x. So, ito na yung equation number 2 natin. Next, i-derivative ulit natin yung equation number 2. So, we have y double prime is equal to, kopyahin nyo yung 3 times c sub 2. Derivative ng e raised to 3x ay, kopyahin nyo yung e raised to 3x. Derivative ng 3x ay 3. So, simplify, we have 9 times c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. So, ito na yung equation number 3 natin. So, using yung mga equations na nakuha natin, so, eliminate na natin yung arbitrary constants. So, using the methods like elimination by addition or subtraction and elimination by substitution. Kung mapapansin niyo, nawala na yung c sub 1 sa equation 2 and 3. So, ibig sabihin, c sub 2 na lang yung problema natin. So, kailangan natin eliminate yung c sub 2. So, using equation 2 and 3. So, elimination by addition. So, dito sa method na to, kailangan nyo tandaan na pag in-add nyo yung equation 2 and 3, dapat mawawala na yung term na may C2. Kapag in-add nyo ba yung equation 2 and 3, mawawala na ba agad yung term na may C sub 2? Hindi, diba? Kasi magkakaroon lang kayo ng y prime plus y double prime is equal to 12 times c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. So, anong gagawin ninyo? So, kailangan mag-isip kayo ng number na i-multiply sa equation 2 para kapag in-add nyo na siya sa equation number 3, mawawala na yung term na may c sub 2. So, ano kaya yung i-multiply nyo sa equation number 2? Tama, negative 3. So, i-multiply na natin yung negative 3 sa equation number 2. So, we have negative 3y prime is equal to negative 9 times c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. So, ito ang resulting equation natin. I-add na natin sa equation number 3. So, pag in-add na natin, so meron na tayong y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 0. So, dahil wala na, arbitrary constants kayo nakikita dyan. So, ito na yung sagot natin. So, elimination by substitution. So, using equation number 2 and 3. Yan. So, sa equation number 3, so we have y double prime is equal to 3 times 3 times c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Kaya lang, kung mapapansin nyo sa mga equations na nakuha natin kanina, yung 3 times c sub 2 times e raised to 3x ay equal sa y prime. So, pwede na natin substitute dito. So, we have y double prime is equal to 3 times y prime. So, simplify natin. We transpose natin yung 3y prime sa kabila. So we have y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 0.